Has your fast computer slowed to a crawl? Do videos take forever to load? Programs barely opening? You're far from alone. Fact: tech companies build computers that need to be replaced every 3 to 4 years. For the longest time, there was nothing anyone could do about it. That is, until now. With Xtra-PC, you can keep doing all the things you love on your computer. Surf the web, watch videos, play music, browse photos, work on documents, and more, all at lightning-fast speeds. The best part? It works right out of the box. No computer geek skills required. Watch our friend Bob demonstrate.
Hey everyone, I've got this old laptop that I use, and while it's slow, it gets the job done for what I need. Problem is, it's getting so slow that eventually, like my last laptop, it's going to be too slow to use and it'll end up in a box out in the garage. When I found out about this little device called Xtra-PC and all the things it can do, I figured since it costs less than a tank of gas, why not give it a try? And here it is. Now, when you think about what Xtra-PC can do, it's basically like a computer in your pocket. I don't have to download anything to my computer or be some computer whiz to set this up. Let's try out some of the things it says it can do. I'm going to go ahead and open my browser here. I'm going to go ahead and go to Home. If you're like me, or most people I know, who doesn't need a fancy computer with bells and whistles, then Xtra-PC is absolutely worth trying.
Check out Xtra-PC today.